Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Let's work out one dumbbell here, 15 kg. We will do full body, no repeats, as so many people doesn't like them, so I will try to show you different kind of variety that can help you to build strength. Let's take a deep breath first, then we're gonna exhale. One more, then I'm gonna exhale. Okay, we're gonna do a quick warm up. Let's warm up our hip. Left leg first, outside 5 rotations, then inside. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you switch right one. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5. Then inside, left one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then right one. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Left knee towards your chest. Push. Switch. Right knee towards your chest. Push. And relax. A little bit of arms. Outside, rotate 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock your arms behind, push forward and hold. 3, 2, 1 and release. Okay, the first one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some thrusters. So we're gonna start from the left arm, grab, just drive up as high as possible. 12 and back. We're gonna do 12 on each arm. Grab, make sure your hips driving backwards. Grab your dumbbell, drive it closer to your body and push it up. Your lower body is helping you a lot. Inhale deeply first. Let's work. 12. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we'll switch arm and up. 2, nice. 3, 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and release. Not bad. Inhale deeply first, then exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, moving towards the next one. Activating core, lower back, knees on the ground. Grab your dumbbell, squeeze your butt forward, right? And from here, we're gonna rotate the dumbbell behind your head, right side and left one. Here we go, 12. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and release. Awesome. Stand up, inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one, what we're gonna do lunge. We're gonna hold the dumbbell. We're gonna step backwards. We're gonna rotate towards the left side, good control, and back up. And then we'll switch. Left, rotate, back up. Nice and smooth. We're gonna do 20, left, right, 10. Inhale first deeply. Strong, stable, let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, push. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Inhale first deeply. Then exhale. Good one. The next one, we're gonna move towards deadlift, remaining deadlift and shoulder press. Deadlift and shoulder press. Make sure you drive your hip backwards. Really good. Okay, we're gonna do 20. Grab. Let's work. Nice and smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome, my friends. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay. Driving into core. Lie down on your back. We're gonna hold the dumbbell fully straight. Legs will be straight 90 degrees. We're gonna lower them. So, straight legs first. Push up. Hold it tight. And we're gonna lower only legs. 12. Inhale. Let's work. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Bend the elbows on the ground. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The second set will be the same, but we're gonna push our arms at the dumbbell up and down. So right now, elbows on the ground. You elevate your legs. From here, you're gonna push up and lower your legs and back. Here we go. 12. Let's work. And 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Elevate your butt. Push up the dumbbell. Hold this bridge 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly stand up. Nice. The next one, we're gonna do squats with hamstrings. So from here, you place your legs outside, rotate them outside. You're gonna drive your hip backwards as back as possible, squeeze back, and then squat down. Here we go, we're gonna do 12. Inhale first deeply. Legs towards the side, rotate it outside. First, drive backwards. Squat, 1. Totally 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Awesome, my friends. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. We're gonna finish with nice and simple move for our hamstrings and butt. Open up. Then from here, we're gonna bend our right foot, hip drives backwards, but you bend your knee. You grab with your left arm, you squeeze up, down, and back, and up, and down, and up, and down. So we're gonna do 12 on each side. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, starting from the hip, backwards. Grab, down, push, and 2, and 3, hip backwards, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, drive hip back, last one, 12, good, release. Inhale first deeply. We're gonna switch, left leg, same thing. I will show you from the side, same thing works from here. Inhale, let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Awesome. Done. Nice and easy one. Arms on the ground. Let's do a quick stretch. We're gonna do down dog. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Exhale, release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. That's it. Quick, efficient, not difficult, I think. Take the suitable weight for you and work out. Don't complain. Your body's your clock. Don't forget about this. Peace out.